Hi, Professor Sistrom. This is Malik Ray. Um, I just got all the way through the video and then Screenomatic stopped working. So here I am re-recording to resubmit for this video. But anyway, I have all of my data sets. I took it from maybe about 600 to 100. I inserted this column right here because the concatenate formula would not work on this side. So I'm going to do the concatenate formula again. I'm not going to do it this way because I like to do it through the regular insert function way because that's the only way it seems to work for me. So I'm going to add, oh Lord, Jesus. Okay, so I'm adding that. And then I want a space, so I'm going to put room for a space in here. Then I'm going to add the next piece of data. I'm going to move this over. Now there's our concatenate formula. We're going to use autofill to apply this same formula to all of the data on the page. And there is our concatenate formula. I have already saved this as the Google Fusion table because, like I said, I was trying to work with it, and I've gone ahead and downloaded Fusion table into my Google Drive. So now we're going to try to make a Fusion table, and I'm just going to keep referring back to the instructions on the actual blog just to make sure that I'm doing everything per the instructions. Hopefully this doesn't give out again. So I'm going to upload it. Here's my Google Fusion document. Next. Here's all of my information. I'm going to go next. Table name Google Fusion or MIS, Jacksonville, Florida. Okay, so here's our information. Not going to apply any filters because we applied those in Excel. Now to actually see the table. Uh-oh, that was the wrong button. Okay, so here we are. Information is uploaded, and I'm going to try to map it. It says that it has no columns and it cannot be mapped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to change one of the columns to location so that Google may pick up on the fact that it is a location that it can be mapped. So that seems to have worked. So let's go ahead and geocode it. Here we go. Now there's only 99 of them, so it shouldn't take too long. But I'll just pause and come back in a second. So it says that it's been geocoded, so let's click on the map and see what it has come up with. There they are, all in that one area of Florida. If we can just zoom in a lot more. Let's just see how they are dispersed within the area, because from here it looks like they're sitting on top of each other, but I'm sure as we get closer we'll see that they each have their own location. Okay, as soon as we can get to them, here we are. So these are our mappings, and they go all the way up into almost the northern part of the city. So now that we have the fusion table, we can begin to do some more stylish things with it, I guess. If we went to tools, as soon as my computer, okay, if we went to tools and we wanted to change the map, we could change it from a location map to any other of the columns that we had on the map. We can go to change feature styles. If we wanted to put a legend in, we would be able to choose the location of the legend. And I can go ahead and put the link to the table in. I also put in the link of the source of the information. If we didn't like the red dots as a little marker icon, maybe we want to change them to the large blue dots. If we didn't like the polygons being that color, maybe we could change them purple. We could change the lines to blue. And we could change the border to green. And let's see if anything happens. There we go. So it really just depends on how you would like to view the data. So if I were to zoom back out, here are all the changes that we made to it. Are there any further instructions? And I believe that this completes my fusion table assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.